next part of the tutorial is to create a finger joint. There's two methods. One method is I could edit the sketch. Another method is I could make another plane and extrude cut this. I'll show you two different methods. First method would be to click on the sketch, right click, edit sketch. I'm going to press my spacebar, top orientation, and I'm just going to make a line for the finger joint. I'll make a line, and then you click right click. Let's create another line. Just click, one click, and then you right click to and then press select to get rid of the line, and then my third line, and then again right click, select, finish is drawn off. Now I need to dimension this, so I want this to be, if this is 20mm thickness, I want these lines to be 20mm in. So click on smart dimension. First of all, let's make this line 20mm in. So if I click on this line and this line, that needs to be 20. And the distance from this line to this line should also be 20. And the distance from this line to this line should also be 20. Now the line in the middle should automatically, whatever's left over, that's a dimension. So I should not be able to dimension this line. So if I click on this line and this line, you get this message saying this dimension will over define the drawing, because it's already been, if that's 20, that's 20, whatever is remaining, that's the dimension of this particular part. I would use my trim entities, remove the lines that I don't want. I could remove this line, and if I click on the tick, that will create, if I exit the sketch, that will create my finger joint part. That's one method of making a finger joint.